Many organizations struggle with inaccurate data, security issues, and unclear ownership. These problems lead to poor decisions, delays, and inefficiencies in daily operations. The difference between confusion and control often comes down to one thing: data governance. In this video, we'll explain what data governance is and why it matters. What is data governance? Data governance is the framework that ensures data is accurate, secure, and used properly. It defines how data is managed across an organization. This helps improve consistency, reduce risks, and support better decision-making. It also ensures that everyone follows the same standards when handling data. Let's look at the key components. 1. Data quality management. This ensures data is accurate, complete, and reliable. It helps teams make better decisions based on trusted information. It also reduces errors and improves overall efficiency. 2. Data policies and standards. Clear rules guide how data is collected, stored, and used. This creates consistency across teams and departments. It also helps reduce confusion and ensures proper usage. 3. Data security and privacy. This protects sensitive information from unauthorized access. It also ensures compliance with regulations and internal policies. Strong security builds trust and prevents data misuse. 4. Roles and responsibilities. Defined roles like data owners and stewards ensure accountability. This keeps data management organized and structured. It also ensures that responsibilities are clearly assigned. 5. Monitoring and compliance. Data is regularly reviewed to ensure accuracy and compliance. This helps identify issues early and improve processes. It also supports continuous improvement across the organization. Data governance is the foundation of trusted, high-quality data. When done right, it drives better decisions, reduces risk, and keeps your organization aligned and efficient. Start building a solid framework today and turn your data into a true business asset. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on data governance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.